A pregnancy sign that you may not be expecting at all, which is a metallic taste in the mouth. I'm an OBGYN and BabyCenter medical advisor, and I'm here to tell you that what might be weird is actually very common and nothing to worry about. This metallic taste, although known as dysgeusia, is actually most common in the first trimester. Many women describe weird tastes such as bitter, salty, sour, and sometimes like you've been sucking on pennies. I know it's really gross because I've experienced it myself. So what causes it? We actually don't know, but we think it's the surge in hormones and all the hormonal changes can actually cause you to smell things very well and taste things very well. And this, as you know, smell and taste are actually very connected. To mask this metallic taste, you can try a few things. Of course, keep up with your regular brushing and flossing. Gargle with salt water or even baking soda water. Try drinking lemonade, eating citrus, or eating sour or vinegary foods. Chewing on mint gum or any gum can help, and maybe saltines. Maybe even using non-metallic utensils like wooden utensils. I know it's gross, but I promise that it will go away soon.